Uh,
అదే ఆడియన్స్ లో యాక్టివేట్ లో
Add-ins లో
యాక్టివేట్ లో ఉన్నా ఫైల్ ఫైల్లో పోండి. ఆప్షన్స్
File options.
ఆప్షన్
Add-ins.
లాస్ట్ సెకండ్
Add-ins ones. Scroll down.
లేదు ఇక్కడ
Disabled BAMs.
మేనేజ్ కామ్ యాడిన్స్ కింద గో కొట్టండి. అది కింద కింద గో గో
ఇదా?
No, I'm saying manager. Click here.
క్లిక్ ఆన్ గో.
Manage com add-ins here now.
ఇప్పుడు అది ఎనేబుల్ చేయండి.
ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు ఇంకోసారి రీస్టార్ట్ చేయండి. ఇది క్లోజ్ చేసి
అక్కడ డిజేబుల్ ఐటమ్స్ లో డిజేబుల్ పెట్టాలి సార్. మీరు గోయిన్ కాదు సార్ అది.
అక్కడ ఆప్షన్స్ లోకి వెళ్ళి అక్కడ యాడిన్స్ లోకి వెళ్ళండి. యాడిన్స్
Add-ins కదండి. అక్కడ డిజేబుల్
అక్కడ కమ్ యాడిన్స్ అని ఉంది కదా, అక్కడికి వెళ్ళండి.
మేనేజ్ మేనేజ్ సార్.
అక్కడ డిసేబుల్ ఐటమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి చూడు, అక్కడ అక్కడ కాదు. యాడిన్స్ ఇక్కడ మేనేజ్ దగ్గర డిసేబుల్ ఐటమ్స్ అని ఉంది, అక్కడ క్లిక్ చేయండి. గూగుల్
ఎనేబుల్ చేయండి.
అక్కడ దానిపైన క్లిక్ ఎనేబుల్ చేయండి. క్లోజ్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడే
మళ్ళీ ఓపెన్ చేసి ఆఫ్ చేసాం.
Thank you guys. Rafa, you also try these steps. Even I also don't know, but I got it.
Yes, Vamsi, I'll do.
Okay. So now what we will do, so download the XML output from the BA catalog, create the RTF template. So after we create the RTF template, so we need to create the RTF template now. So what we will go to BA publisher, XML. Upload. Noise check. Excellent.
Okay.
So if you look at this one in the field level, so this is the parent data and this is the child data, right? So this is the parent and this is the child. So what will happen if I use the all fields, it will come like this. So this is the parent loop and this is the parent loop end. In the parent loop only they have added the table in the child. So that means every time first record will be print, then the related childs will come, then again loop will be start, second record will be print, the second related records will be printed, the second related lines will, invoice checks will be printed. So this is the way when I press the alt fields it will come. So if you want to see the preview, noise check. Click on Save that. Save as. Okay. So it should be RTF template. So it will print like this. So this is the header and this is the lines. Header lines. But here the problem is header record is there. No? This header record, there is no labels, right? Header record, there is no labels. There is no labels. What we will do to add the labels here. To add the labels here, you can do like this. How many columns are there? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what you will do here, you can like invoice number. Select this one and go to the BI publisher field like this. Now what is the next? Invoice date. Invoice date. Invoice date. Invoice amount. Invoice amount. That's it. Due date. Month date. Due date.
Vamshi, what if there is multiple columns? It will be difficult not to enter manually every.
So only 5 minutes, na? 5 minutes, right?
Like so many columns.
How
No,
many will be
in
there?
that case,
How many columns will be there in the report?
amount.
100, 100 will be there. See, alignment, see, if you go for all fields, alignment will not come properly, right?
Yes.
So that is the reason I have used this approach. Even though if it is more columns are there, manually we need to do it. This is one-time approach, right?
You need to do the manually only.
Manually only, there is no other option.
Okay.
So max to max, client will give only 25 to 30 columns. I have never seen more than 50 columns in the report. So even though if it is 50 columns are there, max to max it will take 15 minutes, 20 minutes mapping. So there is no automation. Save the changes. Save the changes. Click on preview. case. See here. So that like this is the label name. This is the data. So previously only the data came, right? So labels were not there in the header level. So that is the reason I have used this approach. Okay, save the changes. Now we upload this into server. Now we'll upload into the cloud. Create the report. Create the report. Right. Use report editor. Click on finish. Upload. So
Also, previously, what was uploaded, Vamshi?
previously,
What you are uploading? Uploaded
no, I have not uploaded today. I am uploading now only.
before this RTF, Vamshi.
Before this RTF.
I think that is report name or what?
created the
Data
report.
model, yeah.
Report.
Okay. RTF. So view report like this, guys. Understand, right? So this is a simple report, guys, which I have shown for Excel based. For example, you have data in Excel. How we can create the data, Excel data using the BIP report. We will see another busting feature. Busting feature or busting option. Busting one more delivery channel. Busting one more delivery channel. Busting one more delivery channel. FTP. Sorry, not FTP. We will see for web center content. So you are not right how to open the web center content. To open the web center content. Copy this one. Yes. Content server. So I would like to send my report output to the content server. So from there, integration team will be pick up this file and they will do their other system to send the file. The technical consultant job is to send the file to this web center content. For this, I am taking one simple example. Simple example I will take. So the example I will use the invoices table. Invoice table I will use. So the invoice table we have a invoices underscore invoice underscore num invoice date invoice amount. invoice type lookup code. This number. So use this invoices table for only these columns. Create the data model. Create the data model. Create the data model. Invoices table. Data source should be FSCM. Invoice number and validate. So now what we will do, invoice type lookup code. Okay, so we will use only for only 6 records. So now this time we will use the invoice type lookup code is the split by and deliver by. We will use the invoice type lookup code is the split by and deliver by. Okay, so for busting, so this is the data I'm using for the busting. Now what we will do, create the busting query. I think before busting, create the report using guide me. Create the report using guide me. So using report editor, we already know, right? 2 or 3 times we have done. Now this time I'm using create the report using guide me option. So you can use report editor also, that's not a problem. I'm using create report using guide me option. Create the save as sample data. Save. Supply acquisition. Noise. Burst. Noise burst. Noise burst. WCC data model. Invoice burst WCC data model. Save the changes. Save as sample data. Create report. So you can use the report editor also. In this case, you have to download export option to export that XML into local, and then there is an option called all fields. You can use all fields to create the RTF template. So that way also you can do. And for quickest way to complete this one, I'm using guide me. Click on guide me. Next. Nice. Click on next. Noise. Okay. So now the report created. So next is we need to create the report using guide me option. Okay, next create the busting query. For WCC, we have to use hello parameters. So that parameter document I have shown in the lab day before yesterday class. So this is the parameter names for the WCC. For email, we have mentioned from email ID to email ID and subject, body, everything, right? But where to get these parameter values? Where to get these parameter values for the web center content? Where to get these parameter values for the web center content? So for this, again, how many sections are there in the busting query? How many sections are there? We will use the invoice type lookup code is invoice type lookup code is we'll use the invoice type lookup code is deliver by key. So now in the busting, after you complete the busting, how many records will be sent to the this web center content based on this data? So invoice type lookup code is delivered by key, and invoice type lookup code is the bit by. Invoice type lookup code is split by, invoice type lookup code is delivered by. How many files will be generated, or single file or multiple files, or
Single file,
single file, how many records?
Multiple files.
multiple.
Single file only. File. So now what we will do, we will get this parameter one options. So where to get this parameter one option? So you have to go to the administration. Go to administration to get the web center content details. To get this server details. To get this server details, we have to go to the top right corner of the user administration. Top right corner of the user administration. Administration. Manage publisher. Content server. Content server. Server name. Server name. Server name. Server name. So this is the server. This is the parameter one. Parameter one. Parameter one. So this is the username. 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 Account is optional. Security group name. So you go to any web center content, you will see the security group name. So this is the security group name. Take the security group name. Account optional, title name you can give any invoice data. Primary file name you can give any name. Comments also you can give any name. Content ID will be generated. So it is optional, it will be generated automatically. So this metadata not required. So now we have to, with this information, we have to prepare the posting query. Section 1 and section 2. Section 1. Content. So we will use the this type name, this invoice type lookup code is the key, and this template name, whatever the template we have created, right? So whatever the template we have created, go to the catalog. Go to the catalog. List. Copy this name. PDF output. This one you can give any name. Delivery channel name, this one. Delivery channel name WCC. So this name you will get from the document, guys. WCC. Section 2. So this parameter 1, this one. Parameter 1. Next to parameter 2. Parameter 2. Username. So parameter 4 optional, you mention the null. Parameter 5 is this one. Parameter 5 just mention the title name. So what is the title name? If you look at the web center content, if you see, search. The title name is coming, right? This name is the title name. Okay, so that title name, invoice details, web center content, mention any name you can do. Any name you can do. So comments also you can give anything. Parameter 8 content ID, parameter 9 not required. So like that you can use. Next to combine section 1 and combine section 1 and section 2. Copy this posting query. Copy this posting query. Copy this posting query. So where to put the posting query, guys? Where to put the posting query?
In the posting section.
In the posting section. Data model or report?
Data model.
Data model you have to go. In the data model we have posting section. Posting. So here you can mention FSCM, split by, deliver by. Copy this posting query. Save the changes. Missing expression. Comma came here. Comma not there in the last column. Here the changes. So after that, what we have to do, guys? After busting definition completed, what is the next step?
Schedule option.
Enable busting definition name into report properties. Enable the busting definition name into report properties. Go to the catalog. Go to properties. Go to the properties. Enable busting definition. So now final one is WCC schedule. So there is no parameters here. Input schedule. Submit. Okay. So if you want to see the history, more, success. So if it is success means how many splits happen, guys? How many splits will be happen?
Only one split.
Only one split will be there. See, split by value, only one. And data verification, if you want, we can do here. Search. See, invoice detail, WCC title. See, if you look at this one, I have given the title name is to download the file. If you want to download the file from here, go to the info. Download the file. Download the file. Let's. So what you will do, you can mention here file name, right? Primary file name. In the primary file name, you mention here .pdf. Parameter 6 primary file name. Primary file is there, na? So here file name parameter 6. You can mention the .pdf here, so that the PDF file will be downloaded. The PDF file will be downloaded. So here I am not mention extension. So that is the reason it is not generated any extension. Understand on guys, busting for web center content.
Vamshi, at the same time, I want to send this report output to email and WCC content server. Is that possible?
Told you now we can use the union and like that.
Mhm.
Use the same query, mention the
Hmm.
union, but you can change this here and you can change this one. The selected statements you can put same columns. So you put the union here. What you will do? Copy this. Okay. So here delivery channel name you can mention email. And this parameter names you can change. Okay, Sujan?
Okay, I understand.
Thank you guys. Tomorrow I will send.